Does your life currently feel stagnant? Your goals and dreams feel extinct? Do your circumstances in life feel impossible? If you said yes to any of these things, I have just one answer for you. You see, God knew that you would have these days where you needed to be strengthened, encouraged, and uplifted. And He loves you so much that He didn't want you to have to depend on somebody or people to do it, so He left His written word for you. Hebrews 4:12 says, "For the word of God is living and effective and sharper than a two-edged sword, penetrating as far as the separation of the soul and spirit and joints and marrow. It is able to judge the thoughts and intentions of the heart." The word is your lifeline, y'all. It equips, convicts, encourages, and guides you as you navigate through this life. This word keeps you grounded in God's plans and purposes for your life. Today you may be experiencing something in your life that you've been unable to figure out. You've been trying to do it on your own and it's just not moving. I want to remind you today to let the word lead you. Let it remove your spiritual blindness so that you can see the solution that God has been trying to present to you. The solution that makes a way when you cannot see a way. The word of God is living and it's active, and that means when you stay in it daily, it will always compel you to obedience to God, and it will transform your life so that you stay anchored in God through all of these storms of life that may come your way. See you tomorrow for another 1 minute on purpose.